Greetings, travelers! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of place to go to while in Niagara Falls, Canada. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number 5 choice for top place to visit in Niagara Falls will be the Canada Butterfly Conservatory. The Niagara Parks Butterfly Conservatory is a butterfly house operated by the Niagara Parks Commission in Niagara Falls. It is located approximately 9 kilometers north of Niagara Falls on the grounds of the Niagara Park School of Horticulture, which is 40 hectares. The conservatory opened in December 1996, has 200 seat theaters, and a climate-controlled greenhouse. The conservatory has over 2,000 tropical butterflies from over 60 different species. The glass dome in the conservatory is 1,000 square meters with 180 meters of paths inside the greenhouse portion, which has a wide variety of foliage. The conservatory can accommodate up to 300 visitors per hour. Captive butterflies usually have a lifespan of only 2 to 4 weeks. Therefore, the conservatory imports up to 3,000 butterflies per month from farms around the world such as Costa Rica, El Salvador, the Philippines, and Australia. Special netting inside the dome keep the butterflies from getting stuck and from dying from hypothermia. Butterfly food plants at the conservatory such as lantana, papaya, zinnia, and pentas are replaced every 2 to 3 weeks. Since caterpillars have large appetites, visitors who wish to have butterflies land on them should wear bright clothes, move slowly, and wear perfume or cologne. Our number 4 choice for top place to visit in Niagara Falls, Canada will be the Cave of the Winds. The Cave of the Winds was a natural cave behind Bridal Veil Falls at the Niagara Falls. The cave is approximately 130 feet high, 100 feet wide, and 30 feet deep. Guided tours officially began in 1841. Tropical storm-like conditions can be experienced as winds can reach up to 68 meters per hour underneath the falls. An elevator will take people from the area between the American and Canadian Falls down to the level of the Niagara River at the base of the American Falls. A series of redwood decks and platforms allow sightseers to walk right up to the base of the Bridal Veil Falls. Our number 3 choice for top place to visit in Niagara Falls, Canada will be the Whirlpool Aero Car. The Whirlpool Aero Car is a cable car located in Niagara Falls, Ontario that transports passengers over a section of the Niagara River referred to as the Niagara Whirlpool. The system uses one car that carried 35 people standing passengers over a 1-kilometer tip. The aero car is suspended on 6 interlocking steel cables, each of which is 25 mm in diameter. The car is powered by a 50 horsepower motor and travels at approximately 7 km per hour. Our number 2 choice for top place to visit in Niagara Falls, Canada will be Journey Behind the Falls, known until the early 1990s as the Scenic Tunnel in an attraction in Niagara Falls. Located in the Table Rock Center beside the Canadian Horseshoe Fall. It opens year-round. journey consists of an observation platform and series of tunnels near the bottom of the horseshoe fall. The tunnel and platform can be reached by elevator from the street level entrance. The observation deck provides a vantage point looking up with the falls to the right, allowing photographers a full view of the famous landmark. The deck is sprayed with water from the cascade, so visitors are provided with plastic raincoats prior to their descent. Our number one choice for top place to visit in Niagara Falls, Canada will be the Niagara Sky Wheel. Is a 175-foot tall Ferris wheel in the middle of Clifton Hill, Niagara Falls. Niagara Sky Wheel is a Ronald Bussink professional ride. Its 42 enclosed passenger cars can each carry 9 people and are heated in the winter and air-conditioned in the warmer months. The ride takes approximately 12 to 15 minutes long, giving the passenger view of the Niagara River and the Horseshoe Fall and American Fall. The Ferris will open all year long from 9 a.m. to 1 a.m. We recommend that you take a ride at night and see the fall slide show lit up. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram scenic.geek. Until next time, goodbye.